Okay guys, so this is basically what you will need to perform a TLC. So these are the TLC plates. Normally you want to make sure that when you draw the line with the pencil that it's like at least a quarter an inch higher from the end, because when you put it on the chamber, if it's too low, your compound is just going to dissolve in the solvent system. And then what we're going to do is first we take a little bit of our compound and then you just need to make a very dilute solution of it, not concentrated. So we have a little bit of our sample here, and it's dissolved in a solvent right now. And then to spot it, we're gonna use a capillary tube or a spotter. So this is the difference between them. This is a melting point tube, and this is a capillary tube. It's open on both sides, while the capillary tube it's sealed on the end. So we just dip. The liquid automatically rises a little bit, and then all we have to do is just put a tiny dot, and that's enough. You don't need anything more. You can pause. Once you have your spotted TLC plate, you fill your chamber with the solvent. Make sure that the tissue paper you've used it's coated so that the chamber is saturated with the solvent. And then all you have to do is just place your TLC plate in a manner that it doesn't touches the paper. And as you can see, the solvent is slowly rising, and the solvent is not touching the spot underneath the TLC plate. Okay, once you put the TLC plates, cover the chamber with a watch glass, and then to clean the spotter, to reuse it, just dip it on a solvent. It could be acetone or hexane or whichever solvent you're using, and then just dip it on a tissue paper a few times, and now this capillary tube or spotter can be reused again to spot another compound. So once it's close to the top, you can now take the TLC off and draw a line where the solvent ended, and then now you can go to the UV light to see how far your compound traveled. So this is the UV lamp. We're gonna put the TLC under, hit short wave, and this spot right here, it's our compound. And this is how you would basically perform a TLC preparation of any compound you have to do in lab.